Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If File Explorer is not opening or not working on your system, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do is we need to restart the File Explorer. For that we will go to Task Manager, look for it in the search bar, click on Task Manager, and we will expand this window and look for the Windows Explorer file. Alright, so here it goes, and there it is. We'll right click on it and we will click on restart, and this should fix the issue. You can again go and open the File Explorer. Now if that doesn't work, we need to restart the system in clean boot. Before we do that, we can try running the SFC scan. So we will go to command prompt and we will right click on command prompt, run as administrator, and we will enter the command sfc space slash scan now, SCANNOW. Press enter, wait for the system, wait for it to scan, and then restart the computer and check if this problem is fixed. If it is not, then we can do one more thing is, before we clean boot the system, we can run the disk cleanup. So we can do that by looking for disk cleanup, click on OK, and we will tick all these boxes and we will click on OK, delete files, and once it is deleted we will again try to open the File Explorer. If it opens, well and good. If nothing else works, then we need to restart the system in clean boot configuration. For that we need to go to system configuration, click on it, click on the services tab, and before we disable any of the services, very important folks, is to check this button called hide all Microsoft services. If you do not do that and you disable some Microsoft service by mistake, then when you restart the computer, it will fail to load the Microsoft services and you will not be able to boot the system. Okay, so let's say for example, we will try to disable this Google, which is a third party app, and we will click on disable and we will click on apply and click on OK and click on restart, and this should solve the problem. If this video solved the problem folks, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.